Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cook with Reeti. Today I'm going to share with you all my Tasty Danas recipe. This Tasty Dana is totally oil-free, so let's get started. So for this we need 1 cup of peanuts. I have kept this into warm water for around half an hour. We need around 2 cups of besan. We need salt according to taste and around 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. We need around 2 to 3 pinches of hing powder and 1 teaspoon of oil. We need 4 teaspoons of jeeravan and around half cup of water. First, I am adding hing to the water and I will mix it well. Now I will keep it aside. बेसन दिख रहा है? बंद करना उसे? I have added hing to the water and mixed it well. Now I have taken 2 cups of besan and now I will add salt to it. Now I am adding red chili powder to this. Now I will mix it well. You can see I have mixed it well. Now I will keep it aside. Now I will take a plate and I will place my peanuts on it. I have taken half of my peanuts. Now I will put besan on it. And I will put some water, that hing water which we made before. Now I will mix it well. You can see I have coated 1 layer of besan on my peanuts. Now I will sprinkle more water on it. And add more besan on it. This will help me to coat the second layer. As many layers you will coat of besan, it will get that much good taste. I am adding more besan to it. Use your hands to coat this, it will coat it more nicely. You can see I have coated these peanuts. Now I will take other half of the peanuts. I have added besan to it. Now I will add hing water. Now I will repeat the same process. As you can see, my peanuts are coated and now I am going to microwave it. As we are not frying this Tasty Danas, we are making it on the microwave mode. So firstly, I am going to take a glass bowl and put these peanuts into the glass bowl. I have here taken a glass bowl. This is microwave safe. Now I will add the peanuts to this bowl. I will add half of the peanuts. As we are making this on the microwave mode, so I will set the power level of my microwave. I have set in my power level at 450 and I will keep the peanuts inside the microwave. And I will set the timer for around 2 minutes. Now we will let the peanuts cook for around 2 minutes. As you can see, the timer is over. Let's open the microwave. Now I will just mix the peanuts with the help of a spoon. Not very much. Now I will keep it again inside the microwave. And now I am keeping the power level for 300. And again I will cook it for around 2 minutes. As you can see, the timer is over. Let's open the microwave. Now I will just mix the peanuts with the help of a spoon. Not very much. Now I will keep it again inside the microwave. And now I am keeping the power level for 300. And again I will cook it for around 2 minutes. You can see the timer is again over, so now I will open the microwave and check out peanuts. See the peanuts? Now I will again mix it with a spoon. Now I will keep it again in the microwave and at the same power level 300. I will cook for more 2 minutes. Guys, after 2 minutes I am going to open the microwave. Let's check how our peanuts turned out. Now I will just mix it once more with the spoon. Now I will add oil to these danas. Only a little bit of oil. We are adding oil only to stick the jiravan on it. Now I am adding jiravan to these danas. I will add only a little bit of jiravan. Now I will mix them well. We will again keep these danas inside the microwave on the same power level 300. We will cook for more 2 minutes. So guys, our timer is over. Now let's check our tasty. Now we will let these tasty danas get cooled down and come to room temperature. It will come to room temperature in 5 to 10 minutes. Then it will get crunchy. So guys, after 5 minutes my tasty dana is totally cooled and now it's ready to serve. I have made these tasty dana with very less oil and this is very good snack for cardiac patients and diabetic patients. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, so please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon so you will get all my latest updates and notifications. Bye for today.